everyone, in this video we will learn bedroom vocabulary. Bed, a place to sleep. Pillow, soft thing for your head. Blanket keeps you warm. Bedsheet, cloth on the bed. Mattress, soft base on the bed. Wardrobe, cupboard for clothes. Closet, place to keep clothes. Drawer, sliding box for items. Dresser, table with drawers. Mirror, you see yourself. Lamp, small light. Fan, gives cool air. Air conditioner, makes room cool. Curtains, cloths on the window. Window, lights air and lighting. Door, you enter or leave. Rug, small carpet. Clock, shows time. Alarm clock, wakes you up. Bookshelf, holds books. Table, flat surface. Chair, used for sitting. Cushions, soft pillow. Dressing table, beauty table. Dustbin, trash container. Hanger. Comb. Do you have your own bedroom? Tell me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video from Ash English Lab.